Today, in this video, we are going to talk about lifestyle and biography of one of the upcoming rising star of Indian cricket team, Shahrukh Khan. Full name, Masood Shahrukh Khan. Nickname, Shahrukh and SRK. Born on 27 May 1995. Age 25 years, age in 2021. Birthplace Tamil Nadu, India. Height 5 feet 10 inches. Weight 75 kg approximately. Hair color black. Eye color black. Nationality Indian. Religion Muslim. Profession professional cricketer. Hometown Tamil Nadu, India. Hobbies traveling and workout. Marital status unmarried. Relationship single. Net worth 10 to 20 crore. Playing role batting all-rounder. Batting style right-hand batsman. Bowling style right arm off break. Jersey number 35. Current IPL team Punjab Kings. T20 debut April 1st 2014 versus Goa. List A debut February 27, 2014 versus Goa. First class debut December 2018 versus Kerala. Favorite cricketer Virat Kohli and Ricky Ponting. Favorite actor Shahrukh Khan. Favorite actress Preeti Zinta. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a fan of Shahrukh Khan, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.